Preheat your oven to 400 degrees and get a 9x13 casserole dish. Pour 1/4 cup of melted unsalted butter into the bottom of the dish. Add 3 to 4 cups of shredded cooked chicken depending on how much you want. I use a rotisserie chicken that I buy from Walmart. Add 1 cup of milk to a mixing bowl. 1 cup of all-purpose flour. 1 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. And 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Whisk it together, then pour it over the top of the chicken. Don't stir it, just leave it as it is. Now add 2 cups of chicken broth and 1 10.5 ounce can of cream of chicken soup. Whisk it together, then pour it over the dish. Again, don't stir it. Now bake it in the oven at 400 degrees for 35 to 45 minutes or until golden brown. Afterwards, give it time to cool. It will be extremely hot. Please consider giving the video a like, and thanks for watching.